What's up everyone, this is Ayak and welcome back to another rip-off video. And today we are ripping off the REALME BIDS Air. Yeah, one of the bud is already ripped over here and I'm gonna tear up all of this because this one is not working right now. And it's not tearing with any other one. And this one is working, so I'm gonna keep this aside. I already ripped it off a bit to see what's inside and why isn't it charging. By mistakenly I just ripped off the connector cable, so this is of no use right now. So we're gonna tear it apart. It used to be over here like this. I already tore this plastic off. Right now let's tear it. This is where that connector which I broke goes in. This is how it charges over here. Finally rip it off, and right here it is. We got the main thing over here. Look at that. There's the motherboard. This is the connector where a charging cable goes. The brain of REALME BIDS Air. I'm talking about the Generation 1. I still didn't get the Generation 2 and I'm waiting for it. First I thought this is a battery, but it doesn't seem to be a battery. It just looks like a cover for the motherboard. And this piece goes into your ear, right? The speaker is embedded into the bracket over here. and this might be the actual speaker. This speaker module gets attached along with this come on, focus. Yeah, this connector gets attached over here, just like this. It should. Yeah, it did come over and something did fall off. REALME, if you're watching this, please tell me what this is. It attaches like that. And this bracket is held. This bracket is holding this. I don't know, this might be the speaker, or this might be the speaker, or this might be the subwoofer. Yeah, in the REALME, when I was buying it, it was said that it has a subwoofer over here inside the main earpiece. It might be it. Thank my two players for helping me out, and thank you my tweezers. This helped me out a lot. Because of sharp ends, I can pry through it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.